Okay guys, unboxing Vivo Y35. So it's in UAE. So I will open it. Oh no. Okay. So as you can see, this one is fast charger, extended RAM, 50 megapixel, and audio booster. So let's see what inside. There's another plastic. So there's the RA. Wait, I will open. Okay, that's it. Can you see?
Tingnan mo.
Sino yan? Huwag nyo.
3 years na yung lisensya.
Okay. So this is how it look like. Wow! It look like iPhone.
It's like
iPhone 14. Yes. Then it's gold. That's all guys. Oh. Then this one is a scratch resistant and waterproof. Then in review, they are using hammer for this cell phone, but it didn't break. So what's inside guys? Inside there is a case. Wow, that's nice. So there is a charger, everything. Oh no, that's good. That's so sick. Okay, that's all. I'm tired already. Goodbye.